Hey everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name's Nyla and today I'm showing you a 1965 Ford Mustang. Beautiful white, and I love this color combination because it's got light blue interior. So it really, they set one another off. It is a two-door manual transmission. Great paint job, super clean with the white. Love the blue inside. Take a look at that interior. So pretty, right? How can you not love that? Let me go on the other side because the sun is glaring super bright today, especially on this white car. It is getting very, very hot here in Sarasota, Florida. All right, let's take a look this way. Should be a little bit better. Beautiful blue. Looks to be mostly original. It does look like they updated the stereo dock. Like I said, it is a manual. But I love the blue. It's so pretty. It's got the white headliner. This car is in really good condition. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm going to get that engine started. We'll take a look at the engine bay. We'll take it for a ride, and then we'll take a look underneath. Gonna take a ride in the 65.
Got a 4-speed. Example.